Hi everyone, welcome to final part of this Python web scraping video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deploy an API that we have made previously in Heroku. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before starting our video, be sure to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to receive the notification of our upcoming videos. So for this, we are going to refer the Heroku documentation. So I will provide the link in the description. So before following this documentation, you have to download Git and Heroku CLI. So let me show you how you can download Git. So go to Google and simply search Git download and download Git from this link. I will provide this link in the description so that you don't have to go through the search process. And Heroku CLI. And here you can choose the installer according to your computer. For me it's 64. I have to use 64-bit installer. So after installing everything, make sure to add this in the system environment variables. So let me show you. Click on edit the system environment variable and go to environment variables, and here under user variables for ASP, click on new, or you can click on edit to see all the previous environment variables and add new too. Actually it's path. Now click on edit, and here you can see this location git /bin and git cmd for git and Heroku /bin for Heroku CLI. So make sure that you add these three lines in the system environment user environment variables. Now you are good to follow this documentation. So let's open our project. Here's our project. So to deploy this app in the Heroku, first of all we have to add this in GitHub. So before adding this in GitHub, let's make some more changes. Like we have to define a Procfile which contains the information about our web server, and we have to create a new file called requirements.txt which contains a list of all the packages used in our project. So let's do this. First of all, let's add a Procfile, Procfile, and make sure that P is capital and it have no any extension Procfile. And here I have line of code for Procfile. So I will provide this code in the description below, and make sure that you change the app name according to your app. So for my case, main app is app, so here in Procfile it's app. You can define, you can change this according to the name in your main.py file. So let's make a new requirements.txt file. So for this, type a command pip trace and requirements.txt. As you can see here, new file is created, and here is list of all the packages used in our project. And okay, let's have a sorry now we are going to push this in GitHub. So let me initialize our Git repository, git init. Okay, now add all of this, git add space dot git. Okay, actually we already have a git, so let me delete that git file. View files. I will delete this. And now I'll start from beginning. Git init, git add space dot git commit dash m initial this. I hope you are familiar with Git and GitHub. If you are not, then be sure to check our videos on Git and GitHub. I will provide the link in the description. Now we have to add remote. So let's log into GitHub and create new repository. New take one CPM post. I'm going to make this repository public. You can make it private if you want. Now click on create repository and now copy this link. Git remove, add origin. Now we have to push. Okay, we'll make this branch main. Okay, now main is our primary branch, and here you can see all of our files. Now you can follow the steps for all your existing Python apps. So to demonstrate that, I'm going to delete this current folder and I will clone that project so that it will be easier for you to do for existing projects. So let me delete this. Okay, let's close here. Okay. Now let me create a new folder. Scraping. Okay, let's clone this project. Okay, git clone. Now we can see all the files here. So let's open this. Now we will follow the Heroku documentation to deploy this app. So it is our documentation. I will provide the link of this documentation. So we have already cloned our project and we are in the current directory. And now to deploy app, so first of all we need to create an app. So before that we have to log in. So let me log in first. Heroku. Just log in. This will open a new tab in browser and prompt us to log in here. Let me log in. Now we will create a new Heroku app. So for that, the Heroku is to create KTM, and after create you have to enter app name. For me it's KTM. Okay, our app is created successfully. Now I have to push this. So push Heroku main. So let's enter this command to push. Let's check this. I think we are going to encounter an error. Okay, this error happens because all the packages are not installed, as it tries to install the packages from this Procfile, but nothing is here. So let me delete this Procfile and run that command again. Okay, everything is up to date. Okay, we have to add this in GitHub and we'll pull that. Git add start git commit as file removed. Okay, let's git fetch. Okay, it's up to date here. We have deleted this. Okay, now git push main. Okay, we have got an error. Remote rejected. Pre-receive book declined. Okay. Type in Python .env01 in python.env could not find a version that satisfies the requirement. Win3 is equals to 303 from version 1. Okay, let's take this win32. Okay, I'm going to remove this as we are not using, and actually I'm not using virtual environment, so this error occurs. Let me turn this on. Okay, again. Okay, we have to push this. Okay, now our app ptm_scrapper.uvicorn.com is deployed successfully. So let's on this. Okay, let's wait for some more time to complete this one. Okay, let's on this. Our app must work now. So as you can see here, our app is working slash. So you can see list of all the news of category money. So guys, we have finally deployed in Heroku. So if you have any problems while following the steps on here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.